A very good evening. My name is I am from UCSI University. I'm an ex-graduate from UCSI University. I've completed my electrical and electronics degree. I graduated August last semester. What I'm doing here today, the thing is I'm conducting electronic workbench. What is electronic workbench? Now, when a student enters engineering, the first year of engineering, they basically know nothing about electronics. They come with an open mind. They are not exposed to practical work. Plus, theoretical, what they learn is not equally enough when they join in practical, such as lab sessions. Especially in my company, provides training for electronic related stuff, in the sense of how to solder, practical work such as how to solder, how to get a simple circuit connected in a breadboard, and also what type of components are there and their usages in electronic industries. Now, when you learn this course, when you have completed the full session of electronic workbench, you will know how to actually interpret it in a simple circuit, how to construct a simple circuit on a wearable board, and how to get it done soldered. Plus, once you have completed level 1, you can go to level 2 and level 3. Level 2 and level 3 are such as designing a PCB board, printed circuit board. Level 3 is like how to program a microcontroller and such on. Well, why I decided to introduce this stuff, some training course like this is because when I was a student myself in this very university, I realized when I entered labs, I used to see students who know nothing, who actually lack in lab knowledge when they enter labs. They don't have any practical knowledge. So I was thinking, I'm an ex-student, and why don't I come up with an idea of introducing this training method to help students out as well. There's nothing wrong in actually sharing knowledge. Knowledge is supposed to be shared. So, what I've decided, as upcoming years, I've obtained many trainings because I'm a teacher itself. I teach international schools. For the past 2.5 years, while studying, I've been working in international schools and a robotics center in Cheras. So, I feel that this workbench will be very helpful for students, especially engineering students in year 1 and year 2. Imagine you can learn how to construct a simple circuit, program it, build your own PCB board within year 1 and year 2. This will be very helpful when you join in year 3 and year 4, especially when you're doing your final year project. So I would like to see more of you all participate in this program and this workbench as well. Thank you. This is a soldering method. First, we place the soldering iron on the component. Then, we insert the lead slowly towards the soldering iron. This is a perfect soldering method. After soldering, to clean the tip of the soldering iron, we have to rub it against a wet sponge. Once we are done, we have to dip it in flux. Flux is to ensure the soldering is perfect and the bond is good. And then we can start soldering again. This one is acrylic cutter, but you can use a normal blade also. You have a ruler. Anybody has a ruler? To make sure I don't cut my hand off, because it's extremely sharp. You put it on the lines you want to cut. You just make a line first. Can you see? So now on the line, you keep can. Okay, fine. Wherever you need to create a drain, wherever you need to, create how to say, you add jumper cables, try to just look around, play. That means make your circuit as simple, small and compact as possible. Because you can interconnect one by one link. Okay, you don't need to use wires. But for this circuit, at least there'll be maximum 3 wires. I know. I've done it in Garawat. I use only maximum 3 wires. So you can do it with 3 wires, but you use more, so I don't mind but try to minimize. Okay? Okay, go ahead, try with your sorry.
Good evening everyone, my name is Chin Jian Yuan and I'm from UCSI E&E department, which is Electronic and Electrical Engineering. Yeah, today I joined the workbench organized by Mr. Ricky and I gained a lot from today's experience. First, we learned a lot about how to design our own circuit and how to produce our own circuit. More or less, it's kind of new for me because I never learned this kind of stuff before, so I gained a lot from today's experience, and thanks to Mr. Vicky for helping us out for today's workbench. And today what we did was we learned a lot about electrical components, which is capacitors, resistors, transistors and stuff that we never even saw before. So we gained a lot of practical experience that we can't learn from our theory classes. And I think it's a good experience, and I think that's all for me. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Naufal Azwan. I'm doing my diploma in electrical and electronic engineering. First year, first sem.
So my name is Hui Wayan. I'm from Bachelor of Electrical and Electronic Engineering, currently studying in first sem and first year.
Hello guys, my name is Woon Yun Nam. I'm a year 1 degree student for taking the E&E, which is Electronic and Electrical Engineering. This is, we do a recording about how we learn, what we learned in the first sem. Okay, so I'm going to start first. And today is the workbench inducted by Mr. Ricky, right? Yeah, Mr. Ricky. And I learned many things. First of all, I learned how to design a circuit by my own. Okay, so it's a new experience for me because when I was in secondary school or high school, I never learned this before, and my teacher also never taught me before. Yeah. So this is a new experience for me, and besides that, I also learned how to provide, how to make a new circuit board. Yeah. So
Something interesting.
Yeah, something interesting, which I passionate before, and now I can work on it. Yeah.
So as for me, yeah, we have done soldering today, so it's a new exposure for me, as in during pre-U and primary school, we never have the chance to have these practical skills. So throughout this workbench, you can know how to solder out the circuit board. And yeah, it's quite a good experience for us, even for the first year student, because yeah, it's a good exposure for us. Yeah.
Actually, today's workbench gives me a whole lot of experience. Because before this, I never get this experience at my primary school, and this is the first time I'm using, and I'm knowing how to build a own circuit. So I think this workbench is really useful, and it can help a lot of students to gain more knowledge and create something new.